Magandang umaga sa inyo mga kabaka. Sa araw na to ay mag-harvest tayo ng, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ang pag-harvest ng patatas or potatoes. Kasi dito sa farm namin na mga kabaka ay nagtanim si boss ng patatas, tsaka pa yun, kalabasa or pumpkins, at meron pa, yun lang siguro. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-harvest ng patatas or potatoes. So tara mga kabaka, sumat. Kapalit ang tractor, bro. Yan ang boss kong masipag. Just work hard to harvesting potatoes. This guy how to harvest potatoes here in New Zealand. Did you say something? No. Wow. Ayan guys, oh. Okay, hold the camera and I'll dig. Oh, different color.
Yeah. Red ones in here. Good job of that one, didn't I?
Yan. Nauna ng bus namin. Dami na niyang nadig na potatoes. Ayan guys, may pula, may puti-puti. the soil here is quite good than the other side. Than the last time.
Yeah, rocky up there. Eh?
Yeah. And then the potatoes there is quite small.
Yeah, yeah.
Like here, wow, big. So ayan guys, paano kami mag-harvest ng potatoes, patatas dito sa New Zealand. Yan o, lalaki. So di natin na bibilhin to. Meron pa dito ano, pumpkin. like
Duck.
no, not duck.
You getting many there?
No.
Goes on a bit of an angle. Huge, eh?
Looks like kumra.
Huh? Puma. The house is on the tar.
Tahuban mo si
They wanted 2.2 million for the house. And the price dropped 1.7. Didn't know one could afford it. My brother-in-law offered 1.5 and it's gone.
So how many lost? 7,000 lost eh. Because how much the capital? When you bought it?
They wanted 2.2.
So,
Yes, he bought it for 1.5.
We have a part-time job here.
Yeah,
Oh,
only part time.
yeah.
That one is a,
Lucky only part time because it's too fucking hard.
in that house, boss. It's a good spot, eh,
Yeah,
for this farm.
Graham and Jan were thinking about buying another house for the farm, but I think,
Put in here in the farm.
yeah, but I think maybe they might move away from the farm in maybe 3 years.
That's
Graham
Graham
and
and
Jan.
Jan. So someone can
Yeah,
go there.
that's what they're thinking.
Or maybe you go there, right? No.
Now I'll stay where I am. Yeah.
Bihari. Because Robin will
Because
occupy.
Francis and Rowan did not comfortable each other because you know
Well, once they get their families.
they no as of now they're not comfortable boss because they have you know important matter to do.
Well, they can go to the bathroom separately.
Heal or something.
Yeah.
Pagpaluwas na baka sabi na, ah puta! Rowan and Francis can't do that one. Just close the mouth. So maybe one of these days, yeah.
All the ones in the bucket,
Yep, there is also a small one.
just the broken one.
Okay.
About small one.
Fork. Catch?
About small boss.
No.
It's like a marble.
Nah,
Di ba silang may mga ano?
only broken.
Broken one.
Okay.
2 to 3 years. Wow. But that Graham's house, only 2 bedrooms, I think.
2 or 3. Can't remember. Oh, look better now. See how big that one was? Fucking huge. I broke it. I think I went off the fucking line. That is over here more.
So ayan mga kabaka. Hindi madali pala ang pag-harvest ng potatoes dito o patatas. Talagang gagamitan mo ng fork. So ito, hukayin mo. Ewan ko sa Pilipinas kung paano sila mag-harvest ng patatas dyan. Comment na lang kayo sa baba mga kabaka kung paano ang pag-harvest ng patatas dyan sa inyo.
I'll just leave it there. Anything really small, just leave it. Cut all in.
We got 665 subscriber as of now. So mga kabaka, pakita ko na yung paano harvest ng patatas. Eustain, do you have a friend to shout out? mga kabaka, ang gold. Gold dito sa New Zealand. Sinasabi ng gold. Oh. Tingnan mga kabaka. Ay, puto. Ano? We have 300 plus solid now, eh?
Is it?
Yeah.
Was the first herd hungry this morning?
Yeah. Of course. Even the second herd. Because keeps of rain last night, eh?
Yeah, it's cold.
Yeah.
Getting cold, eh? So they're eating more. Might start feeding some silage.
Yeah. And when you start feeding crops,
May. We'll start feeding paddock 18.
18. Ayun. In 79, I think sit up at the back, eh, not in the front. We start at the back.
17.
79.
Oh yeah. We'll just see how wet it is because it's wet down that end of the paddock, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Isang ano yan mga kabaka, 3 buwan yan na konsumo. Mahal ang bigas dito mga kabaka. Ang 10 kilong bigas ano eh, $24. So i-ano mo yan sa Philippine money, ano na yan? Kano yan? 5. Di 5. Ang 10 kanon 10 pare. May na tayo sa ano. Mahal yan. Ayun natin, gamitan natin ang technique.
So stay and say hi to your girlfriend.
Times 30 pag lang ha. Iyo tama. 24 ay baka 4 times 10 ay di para ba di
34 times 20.
24 34 times
24.
so ang 10 kilo mapatak ng 800 mahigit 10 kilo mahal ang bigas dito.
Didn't do very well this year. I think maybe not enough sun here because of the trees.
Yeah. So that
Doesn't sun long enough. Heaps of potatoes on here, easy to see too.
yeah. Start here. bit height rin. Cute.
Foot. Good.
Paano ko ang palay kayo na sa ano? Easy pa. Diba ka dyan? Ngayon din lang. Palay kayo dyan.
Dad, we found one that looks like this.
Yeah.
And it one it had a hole in it.
Look at that. What'd you do with it? You put it in the bucket.
No, we put it into the
How many months before they harvest this one, boss?
I can't remember what we planted them. Maybe.
When did you start?
Maybe November. End of November.
March, April. 4 months? The same? Huh? 4 to 5 months? Seems like, potato? Kumpra? Hindi.
Should get the tractor and put the rippers on. Right. Just rip it and all the potatoes will come up. Potatoes there.
Pag hindi kumadar ko ang lubok mo karon. Kadar ko lang ang lubok. Tingnan mo. Tumagay ng ano. Dinakula ng lubok. Ano?
Sabay daw magkaroon ni pagtalbog sa monte.
Bunay.
May pagtakot at talbog.
Kinakan mo yan.
Pagbulanon.
Bungaw.
Grow our potatoes.
No, our olds said that one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Utang ini.
microwave also was from those place.
Yeah. Does it go? Still go or not?
I will not using it. Will not try it.
You drink some whiskey on the little table?
Maybe tonight.
Better.
Tonight, yeah.
Oh, maybe after
You
this.
might have to go and chain it down, put a padlock on it.
Maybe after this. To make warm.
Drink whiskey.
Yeah.
No, the billiard table is there in the garage.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Can you play
Um,
billiard also?
Dad and my younger brother drove down and bought my old car back.
Yeah.
And I said to him 2 days ago, I said, have you booked the ferry to get your ute back across to the North Island? And he said, no. I said, it's school holidays. You won't be able to get a crossing. So he looked up and he can't get one until the 3rd of May.
So stay there until.
So he's going to leave his ute in my garage and fly home.
Yeah.
Yeah, so he, that's why I was cleaning out the garage yesterday, so that he can put his ute in there. There's heaps of stuff in there from the builders still.
Does your house already done? No.
Nah, almost. Oh, just need the plumber and yeah, the builder's still got to come back and do some stuff. Still need carpet to go down, it's just the wooden floor
Yeah.
at the moment. I think they go, over the next few years they're going to change the windows in all the houses to double glazing, keep it warmer.